It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday, February 29th. Leap year. I always get excited on Leap Day. I don't know why. It's like such a fun, interesting day. I got my meditating frog out for Leap Day. You may hear Coco in the background. She's a chihuahua and she's reverse sneezing right now. She's mad because I've got her locked up in my filming room. We're getting a new vanity in our bathroom, which is so much fun. Our vanity was like 25 years old. I had that black counter, which didn't always look bad in videos, but it was starting to get really worn out. So I have a new countertop, a new vanity. So I'm super excited. And we also got a new medicine chest because the old one was like getting all rusty and nasty. So that was exciting. So got people working on the bathroom today. Bath and Body Works, going to talk about a couple of sales going on. The laundry care is 2 for $30. And I just logged in and I got one of those pop-up 15% off coupons and it's working because there's no code for the laundry care. So if you have a 20% off, you can use it. I have new coupons I'm going to talk about in a minute. You can go ahead and use it. So try and log in. I always get the pop-ups. So the 2 for 30 minus 15%, let me do the math, 30 minus 15%, I'm actually getting 2 for 25 divided by 2. That's $12.75 each on the laundry. Now, a lot of people hit or miss on the laundry. I know a lot of you love it. That's cool. I got Twisted Peppermint over the holidays. I didn't love it, honestly. Bad product. A lot of people love it. It's just not something that's on my radar to keep going to Bath & Body Works to buy. I get my Tide-free pods on Amazon. I throw them in. I'm done. I do find the design a little bit like tricky. I don't know why. I don't like liquid. I do prefer the pods for some reason. They just work better for me. I did test this out and I didn't feel like it was like over the top, made my clothes smell like Bath & Body Works. I have other ways of making my clothes smell like Bath & Body Works. You could just spray out a little mist. I also got the Norwegian Pine over Christmas. These were like $9.99 for semi-annual sale, which was a good deal. This one was too piney. I don't want my clothes to smell like pine. They also have the fragrance boosters, which I don't use fragrance boosters anyway. So I prefer the fragrance-free laundry. So it's a no for me. I know a lot of people are really enjoying these. They're beautiful. Like, you know what I like? I like lining these up. They're pretty. Like my store has these all lined up on the wall and they're actually gorgeous. So there you have it for the laundry. Also today we have 10 off on the candles. Not a great deal on the candles, but 10 off and then buy 3, get 3 on the body care. If you get the 15% off pop-up coupon, you know, it's going to be a little bit less on everything. Or if you're getting a coupon in the mail. So I just, surprise, got this yesterday. It was actually addressed to me because I haven't gotten coupons lately. Tropidelic, open it up, and they've got all of the tropical in here. And then the coupons I got, this is actually an incredibly good coupon. I want to save this, 25% off your entire purchase. That's like the best coupon you can get. I want to save that for new like Mother's Day spring candles, like ice lemon pound cake. I want to see if I can get like a big load of stuff with a 25% off. So that was exciting. I haven't seen 25% off lately. And then I have a free body care gift, $9.95. I usually like get a hand cream with that or something. So I was super excited to see a 25% off coupon. That actually made my day. On the back, they're just talking about Canyon and Ridgeline. Canyon's back, new Ridgeline. I'm not crazy about the new Ridgeline at all. That's like not doing anything for me. Yesterday, I did talk about Brightest Bloom. A lot of people are commenting on that. I think a lot of people are excited about this one coming up. So, not a terrible day at Bath & Body Works. If you're interested in the laundry care, I will be back with more stuff. I hope everyone's having a good February 29th. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.